Jamaica, watch
pieces of board
this.
floating, but they're actually the roofs of properties. The rising water, which many have noted to be picturesque and visibly clean, has caught the attention of the Manchester Health Department. It has advised residents to avoid direct contact and notes that floodwaters pose a serious risk of contamination. It's also warning residents not to drink, taste, swim, or perform rituals in the water. But residents who spoke to TVJ News are not inclined to make contact. They are stunned by the pace at which it's rising.
Yeah man, we were here last week Sunday and that light post right here, if you look this side, you see the light post? Yeah, we use it as a marker to where we could walk. And we have a bridge right here that goes right across. If you look right across, so last week Sunday we could walk right across there.
Oh, we have this board. This was your makeshift bridge.
Makeshift bridge, yes. So we could walk go all the way across. Now, see where it is now. If you look down, you can see how far. And then last week again, they made some trenches to kind of divert the water. And it is still rising come all the way.
Here, it's like a small waterfall, and more houses are being swallowed.
This house right here, I don't know if you can see the house there.
Yes.
See cover right now. Last week Sunday we could at least see a section of the window last week Sunday. Now we can't see it again.
He says he experienced a similar issue with groundwater rising in the area in 2004, but not to this scale.
It is nothing compared to what it is now.
Now, other homes in different sections of the community are at risk. Water is also rising between the Windalco plant and the Kendall Main Road, just across from the world-renowned Pick-a Pepper factory.
My sister live right for that house right there. My sister house, you know. When you see it, you know, you're surprised to see water going at the garage. Right in the garage, water there right, you know.